Biglang ang galing sumayaw. Sarah J, Maka, Kim.
Pero pinakahuli yung na nag-hands-on ako. Niana's debut. Yeah. So, I haven't done it for a long time. I mean, after Sugal, I did Niana's debut. Interesting kasi Gen Z, parang anak ko na kasi nga best friend ni BJ. So, and then she danced a different, style. And I really enjoy the process because I was working with the Gen Zs. The youthfulness is there. Yeah, so masaya yung proseso, and I'm very happy with the outcome, and a lot of people enjoyed the Niana's debut. Yeah.
Yeah, if you can share, teacher, ito bang mga celebrity na to, yung mga nabanggit yan? Like, before na-touch sila ng G-Force, talaga bang ganun na sila kagaling sumayaw? Or talagang meron ding mga you can share, mga stories behind ng kanilang biglang ganun?
Yeah. Most of the artists, they need to dance in ASAP to promote their movies, to promote but there are some artists na talagang nilalagay for dancing. They have natural moves. My work is to bring out the best in them, extract what is natural movements for them, and create something that is designed for them. I will not hand them my movements para pilitin sa kanila. No, I don't. That's not our style. Our style is really to bring out the best in every artist.
Find the brand.
Yes.
And if you're going to look back, parang who among those celebrities ang parang nagmang ka sa'yo when it comes to dancing nung tinuturuan niyo?
Marami.
Top 3?
Oo. Top 3, ayan tayo ha.
Yun ang iniiwasan niya eh.
Hindi mo ay best dancer or worst dancer?
Ibang-iba na kasi ngayon, alam mo, G-Force ang nag-handle na sa ASAP ngayon. This is a totally different generation. And imagine mo, mga anak ko na si Jaja na yung choreographer. So, anak ko na. So, ibang-iba na talaga yung generation. Right? Yes. Next question.
Sorry.
You mentioned about the upcoming branches.
Yes.
Can you please share more about it? And when may nag-open a branch, do you offer promo para mas marami? Mas marami mag-enroll?
Yes. So we have we have a partnership now in BGC. You guys can go there and check our Instagram account, and also we are launching a new brand in BGC. We will invite you soon for that because it's not going to be G-Force Dance Center. It's going to be another brand. Yes.
Yes, Mars.
Yes.
How do you pick songs? Or do you know instantly if a song will become a dance?
Become a hit?
Especially when we dance.
No, you just have to create and create and create. And sometimes it's really there's a good song, good movements, good choreography, good lyrics, at the right mood of what's going on right now. Doon siya magaling. Yeah.
Kabalik ka rin naman, do you sometimes say sa ASAP na this isn't going to work, kulang ang beat, I'm not feed?
Yeah,
you can feel it as
I'll give you an example. I created Tala when it was 2015. Old studio pa yon, Perez. Doon pa yun sa Mother Ignacia. 2015. The song was mid-tempo. When we did it for a concert, 2018, I had to collaborate with the arranger and made it mas mabigat, mas may suntok, mas heavy on beats for live performance. It's really important that you create music for live performance. What you hear on Spotify, what you see on YouTube are good for listening at home. But when it's a live concert, it has to be a different attack. So that year, 2018, we made sure that it will be a different presentation for Araneta Coliseum. It worked because I also pushed for the boundaries of the artists, made it sexier. Then it became a hit on that year. Then a lot of people were fascinated and amused about that performance. They started learning the dance. Then it became, globally recognized because of that performance.
May timing.
Right timing, the right place, the right sound, the right tweaking, and also the one that will execute that dapat handa rin.
I remember there's this palitan online na Pantropico daw is not an instant viral hit kasi it was released in November, but it
Yeah.
only became a hit in February. Have you seen the choreography?
Hindi pa, but I heard about it, oo. November, December, January, Feb, naging hit. Galing,
Yes.
kasi 3 months lang. Oo. Imagine that, 2015, 16, 17, 18. 3 years.
Pero how do
It's
you
really different.
copyright a dance moves, teacher? Ganun ba?
Ayan tayo.
Hindi, pero may
Yes,
ganun.
yes,
Yeah,
there
para,
is.
kasi di ba kung sinasabi nila, G-force yan, natak G-force yan. So
Thank
hindi
you.
pwedeng magamit. So parang, how do you
Pwede
do
naman
that?
gamitin. Pwede siyang gamitin.
Permission.
Yes. There is a right process for that, Like anything that you want to use that has, it's a property. It's just a, kumbaga we're just going through a process, a procedure, no? Of course you can use it.
Maybe lang din, like sa song, ika-fourth bar, kung kapareho-pareho, pwede ka na i-copyright sa dance.
Yes.
Maybe lang.
Interesting.
Ay, napahabaan niyo pa ba itong conversation?
Maraming nag-dream dancers who dream of dancing with you. Ikaw, sino yung na-imagine mo? If only I can share the stage.
Oh,
Certain. Right international.
wow.
They have.
oo. If ako ba yan? Kung ako yung may dream? Gosh, wala akong maisip ngayon. Oo.
Sa younger generation.
Sa younger
International.
generation. Yung mga anak ko hanggang ngayon, hinahabol ko pa yung sayaw nila. Oo. Yeah, international. I've always been attracted to Madonna kasi. Yeah. Of course, Michael Jackson is there. Janet Jackson is there. The choreographer of Janet Jackson. I remember when I was starting, there's Paula Abdul, but people used to call me Tina Landon. Yeah, so Tina Landon is one inspiration. Yeah. She's the choreographer of Janet Jackson.
Please invite everyone
Yeah,
to
please
join the
invite
G-Force project.
Oh, yes. Hello po sa lahat ng mga ka-vlog natin. Hello, I am Teacher Jercel and I am inviting you guys to be part of our G-Force Project 2024. This year, we are turning 19. Samahan niyo po kami. Be part of this experience. We are going to give you more than just dance. If you have been with us and did G-Force Project already, come back, have the same experience, invite your friends and experience it with your friends. And if you have not done this yet, come here because you will discover a lot, not just about the project, but a lot about yourself. So please, you just have to check our social media accounts. We are all over social media, G-Force Official, in Instagram. Teacher Sherwin, would you like to help me here? At GDCQC, those are at GDCQC, at GDC the Fourth, BGC at GDC Alabang. Those are the Instagram accounts. Also, G-Force Official. Nandyan din yan sa Instagram. And of course, our
YouTube.
the website and YouTube channel, also TikTok, nandyan din kami. So please, magsama-sama tayo. Mangyayari ito sa June. Sayaw tayong lahat. Okay, invite all your friends, your families. Yes. Ano bang link, What's the,
Marami siyang
Oo nga eh, yeah.
But the
QR code na
is
lang.
there.
QR code.
Picture.
QR